It's a new fountain formula, Shimzu number 2. It's ammonium perchlorate and magnesium 200 mesh, 70-30, something like that. Unfortunately, I damaged the nozzle when I pulled it off the tool, so I'm not sure what it's going to do. We're going to find out together. But it should be some pretty sparks. There'll be a red strobe in the middle. Hopefully it's tall up high enough in the compressed fuel to strobe. So we'll find out. Ooh, that Shimzu is strobing. What in the world? Oh yeah, there'll be a salute on the end, by the way. Here's the red. Pink. Should go back to white in a second. Oh, there it goes. Oh yeah, there's a big banger in the top. I mean the bottom. There it goes.